Good morning, class 4. Today we will do lesson 1 of English grammar book. Okay? So learn and grow English grammar. Lesson 1, the sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which has some meaning to it. Sentence एक words का group होता है जिसका कुछ मतलब निकलता है. It starts with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. ये sentence के दो important rules होते हैं. That a sentence starts with a capital letter and the sentence ends with a full stop. Now, a sentence will make sense only when the words are in the proper order. जब words एक particular order में हैं तभी sentence का meaning निकलता है. Okay? Now, parts of a sentence. Sentence के दो parts होते हैं. There are two parts of a sentence. Subject and predicate. जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं वो subject और जो बात हम कर रहे हैं that is predicate. For example, you have a sentence, cheetah runs fast. किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? Cheetah. So cheetah is the subject. And what does cheetah do? Cheetah runs fast. So that will be the predicate. Next you have cow eats grass. What is the main topic about which we are speaking here? Cow eats grass. So we are talking about the cow. So cow will be the subject. Eats grass will be the predicate. Nina is drinking coffee. Who is drinking coffee? We are speaking about Nina. So Nina is the subject and rest all will be the predicate. So Nina subject होगा, बाकी सब कुछ is drinking coffee will be predicate. So here you have a table in which some subjects and predicates are given. Like the moon has no light of its own. Moon की खुद की कोई light नहीं होती. So here we are talking about the moon. So the moon is the subject. Has no light of its own is the predicate. A blind man cannot see. Who cannot see? We are talking about whom? We are talking about a blind man. So blind man is the subject. Cannot see is the predicate. So you find out the subject and rest all will be the predicate. अब subject निकाल लो sentence में से, बाकी सारा predicate होता है. Okay, now we have kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences. Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. Speak with me. Assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Assertive sentence is a fact. हमने कोई normal सी बात बोली, the sun rises in the east. Good morning ma'am. How are you ma'am? Hello children. Today we are going to do lesson 1 of grammar. These are all assertive sentences in which we are just stating. हम कुछ बता रहे हैं, हम कुछ बोल रहे हैं. Okay? Assertive sentences always end with a full stop. Assertive sentences will end with a full stop. Next you have interrogative sentences. Interrogative का मतलब हमेशा होता है question पूछना. What is your name? Where are you going? How was your day today? What time do you go to bed? Who discovered the new world? When do you celebrate Thanksgiving Day? How was Diwali? So interrogative sentences always end with a question mark. So बहुत easy है. अगर कोई sentence question mark से end हो रहा है, that means it is interrogative sentence. अगर कोई sentence assertive से end हो रहा है तो हमको देखना है, full stop से end हो रहा है तो हमको सोचना है कि ये fact है तो वो assertive statement होगा. Now imperative sentences also end with a full stop. Okay, but here it is a request or a command. तो हमें देखना है कि अगर request और command है तो वो imperative sentence है. अगर कोई statement है, कोई fact है तो वो assertive है. तो symbol से हमें बहुत कुछ पता चल जाता है. And exclamatory always ends with a line, standing line, straight line and a dot. That is the exclamatory mark. So this involves emotions. Ah, wow, what a lovely lesson. Lovely weather. Wow, lovely. Oh my God, I got hurt. Oh no, please don't go there. So all these are exclamatory sentences. Imperative sentences will be request. Please, may I go? So command, come in, sit down, do this, do that. All these are request or command statements. These are your imperative sentences. So आप सेंटेंस के एंड में देखो, अगर क्वेश्चन मार्क आ रहा है तो इंटेरोगेटिव है, एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क आ रहा है तो एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस है, अगर फुल स्टॉप आ रहा है तो आप सोचिए रिक्वेस्ट है, कमांड है या नॉर्मल फैक्ट है. अगर रिक्वेस्ट या कमांड है तो इम्पेरेटिव है और नॉर्मल फैक्ट है तो वो असर्टिव है. क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट with the back exercises of this lesson. Please read the lesson properly. Okay? Thank you.